omukoro gwaikwaho omujwekye rwa NRM mu mahanga gahe retired Major Awichpira owahabira bejo okutamana omu kushoma.
For us, since I came to Ankole school, we are all Ankole educated. Our brothers equally went to Tare and followed me in Makere Law School, and they are lawyers.
Omureberezi wa Ankole Diocese watahabeja emikono yabashaba okumanya ruhango bwire bwona.
Defend, O Lord, your servant. Defend, O Lord, your servant.
If someone opens a home for you, you get excited. You are warm. Maybe you've been walking, you've been traveling, and then some of you have been left at home. Of course, these days it's very worrying. You may not know who you're opening the home to, but perhaps it is someone who is genuine, whom you may even know.
The school's goal is to equip the girl child with quality education alongside academic, co-curricular, spiritual, social, and environmental principles.
Omuganda makuru n'ekigenderwa ky'okwombeka oburaro bw'abeegi babihikyaho ishomero rya gavumenti rya St. Peter's Katukuru SS. Abebembezi b'orurembo rwa Mbarara bebembirwe omu ishengyero Kazatwasa Rita Bwahika owashomire aha ishomero eri batebekanisa omukoro gw'okurundana sente ez'okukora omurimo ogu kandi omukoro ogu gukurirwe minisita w'ihanga w'ebyokwerinda Major General Jim Muhwezi obirajwekire enganzi y'ihanga.
Thank you for being that good old girl we can always count on.
Kandi nakurura Honorable Rita noyenda ko okane na first lady minister wa education mugamba ishomero ebyo eri special choice ya seed school nebindi nakyo cyo twija kukora naho hamwe ikikira.
Vika General w'itware rya Mbarara Reverend Father Suvelnus Ndugwa nuwayebembire ekitambo kya misa.
Omushikire rugambo wakoze byo kutangaza kifurire omunsomu kandi hati nakirukora yaje magara genseji akafungwa kwa 18 kukana hati wale wo mbirugwe nyuka kureba makagwe 2010 no kirango akagweze kirahuri
miliyoni ziri kuhika 200 nizo zirundinwe ahari miliyoni rwende ziri kwetengwa.
Okushaba kwanje hari government n'ubu nabenanye ndi mu government konkana shaba honorable minister n'okukika prime minister okukika minister of education ngwishomereri tubase okureba okutwataho buryo tutekeho ekizimbi
agana bajangu woli arumu owabara. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. Abashomira n'abantu bingi munonga konkana otegateka nk'abantu abijaha nibo bonka bashomira.
Twine ekizibu nk'ishomero ky'oburaro bw'abishiki kandi purani y'ekizimbe eyitwine katugire ngu twakiheza nkiba nkiraza abishiki 5-12.
Aha bwa TV West ndi era Akiza na Arwaswa.